Hi, my name is Siobhan Kerr. I am the director of Zero Fashion CIC. So I started the company nearly 2 years ago. My first start was with Everton in the community. The whole point of it was to be in different communities and getting across to as many people as possible. Since then, it has been so exciting. People asking me to do things, to do workshops or to come here and do talks or to get people thinking. That's been the best part of this. So Zero Fashion is a CIC, it is a non-profit, it is community based. We swap and share our clothes. We're trying to reduce textiles waste by shopping pre-loved and giving our clothes away. And if they are damaged or not useful anymore, we can repair them or repurpose them into other products. So people can get involved. If you follow me on socials, I have different events, different types of events. So I might have a swap shop event, I might have a repair event, I might have some sort of networking or a pre-loved clothes sale. So if you were to follow me on socials, you might see something that you go, oh, that's a bit of me, I want to get involved with that one. If you wanted to do an event, please email me and we can set up how we can get involved together or what I can do for you to help your community.